Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Sterling, Virginia, and the homeowner has a leak right in this area here. Now, there's a few different things that's causing this leak. Now, the first thing I noticed is how they brought the cap shingles all the way down to the bottom, and that will present the problem. Now, when it rains really heavy, the water's flowing down this roof section, and the water will go right underneath the cap shingles and leak through the sides of the nails that's holding the shingles into place. Now, also, I checked this valley to see if this is attributing to the leak, and thankfully this is all good. Now, another thing is where the roof and the wall meet, the shingles are tucked all the way underneath the siding, so I cannot inspect the step flashing underneath. So in a situation like this, I have no choice. I need to remove all the roof material from the gutter line all the way up to the top. Any flashing that's damaged is going to be repaired or replaced with new, and then we're going to re-shingle that area. Now, after I repaired this area and also repaired that area, the leak will very likely still occur because of this ridge vent. And you can see visibly it's very beaten up, and it's had multiple repairs done before in the past. But the big problem with the ridge vent, it's very likely that it's not waterproofed underneath. So if there's a heavy downpour, the water can bounce off the roof, back up underneath the ridge vent, water will travel underneath the shingles, and again, settle at the lowest point. Now, let me check this gutter out to see if this gutter is a problem. Now, if the gutter was pitched in properly, the water can overflow over the back, go behind the siding, behind the step flashing, and again, settle at the lowest point. But here I can see it's lifted up at the highest point in the middle, and then it drops down to the right, and it drops down to the left. So the gutter is good. Also, that 750 vent on the upper roof, that was installed correctly. If it was done wrong, say nails in the flashing, the water can travel underneath the shingles, drop behind the siding, and again, settle at the lowest roof. But everything is good there. Let me check the siding here too. Because if the siding is not overlapped sufficiently, if there's a driving rain, the water can get into this seam and go behind the siding, but it's overlapped really well. So the siding is not the problem. So in order for me to stop this leak, I need to do the roofing along the wall, fix the cap shingles, and then also replace this ridge vent. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.